Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your modulator model and the input type required, antenna or cable, because compatibility determines cable choice. Once done, gather coaxial cable, any RCA or 3.5 mm adapters, and the modulator power supply so you won't pause mid-setup. Make sure to turn off the TV and source device before connecting to avoid shorts. Then connect the source's AV outputs to the modulator inputs. This first link translates audio/video into an RF. Next, you configure the modulator's output channel and tune the TV to match. This is where signal mapping happens. Start by choosing an unused RF channel or frequency and set it on the modulator, because overlapping channels cause interference. Then connect the modulator RF OUT to the TV ANT/cable in using coax and tighten connectors to ensure a solid signal path. Power on the source and modulator. Then switch the TV to the selected channel and verify you see the source feed. To finish, fine-tune levels and secure everything so the RF feed stays stable. You should adjust the modulator's output level or fine-tune control to reduce noise while keeping the TV tuned. This optimizes signal-to-noise ratio. Make sure connectors are snug and avoid excessive cable folds. If the picture or sound fails, first recheck AV input wiring and adapters, and then switch the modulator to a different channel. If issues persist, bypass splitters to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.